Faith, we got some new places this year for the Hide and Squeek. So we are here, and if you can probably hear in the background, test track.
Yeah, it's called Taste Track.
Taste Track.
That's where we are.
We are at the Taste Track. And as you can see, there is Remy up there at the corner.
That looks like vegetable oil.
It's olive oil.
Oh, my bad.
So let's take the olive oil.
Right here.
All right, so we've got olive oil.
Try to get it off first. Can you hold this little?
Yep.
Can you put this in your pocket?
Doop.
Sticker.
All right.
I'll put it right. Hey, first one.
So first one today, Taste Track.
Yep.
Ha ha ha. That's funny. So
I'm gonna go taste the car.
no, so we will catch you later. So and obviously this year they also have a croissant donut location here.
Multiple times.
So we will catch you later on our next one.
Bye bye. I put him on the map already.
So Faith, where are we at?
Mexico.
All right, show it.
Right here. I already
right.
put the sticker, which is a, what is it?
Squash.
Squash. Right up there.
Or is that zucchini? A squash. Does it tell you it's squash?
No. It doesn't say.
It's up top.
Right up there.
See?
Okay.
All
On
right.
to Norway.
Norway.
Yeah, we're frozen.
Recording.
Now we are in China with Remy, with garlic.
That's garlic.
Yeah. It smells like garlic.
Yep. Garlic.
And then you
Oh,
use
hold on.
then use this sticker,
Okay,
this one.
I got it.
Then you put it on the map.
Shazam.
Now,
Yeah.
next off, we are in Germany.
Germany. All right.
Germany.
All right, Faith, where are we?
Germany.
It's Germany or just Germany?
Germany.
Oh.
Oh, I see you.
All right. Looks like he's got a pan.
We're looking for a pan.
So it's a pan.
It's a pot.
It's a pot. It's a pan.
It's a potish pan.
It's a potish pan.
Yeah, I don't know.
Potato on the sticker.
It looks like a potato.
All right.
But
So
it's a
hit
pan.
that. All right. Put it on Germany.
Germany.
All right. So what's next?
Italy.
All right.
Italy.
So Faith, where are we? Faith, where are we?
Italy. Italy. We have a bottle of vinegar.
Is it vinegar?
Yeah, it's red and brown.
Up there. All right. So we got it down
Try to
here.
find it there. So this one,
All right. I got
he's
you.
sniffing it.
All right.
So
So
this was Taste Track. This was Mexico, Norway, China, Germany, and Italy.
all right. America is next.
Yay! We can go eat lunch. Yay!
Yay! Say bye.
Bye.
All right. So where are we at, Faith? Watch out.
We're at the American Pavilion area by the hops and barleys.
All right. And what is it?
Carrot.
Yep. It is a carrot.
The carrot sticker.
Oh, hold on.
Carrot sticker.
Okay. You can put it down. There we go.
Right there.
Oh, let's get out of the way.
Dang.
All right. You're gonna put it on the American.
There we go.
All right, girls, it is time for
Japan and lunch.
All right, catch you later.
Adios.
All right, Faith, where are we at?
Japan.
Japan?
Yeah.
Or just Japan?
Japan. I don't know if that's a zucchini or that's a cucumber. That's a cucumber.
It's a green vegetable.
Some sort of green vegetable.
All right, so there he is. There you are.
So we use this green vegetable sticker. The long skinny one. They put that on Japan.
All right, so what's next?
Morocco. So this was Taste Track. This was Mexico. This was Norway. This was China. This was Germany. This was, which one was this? That one.
Italy?
That was Italy, and that was America, and then this one was Japan.
Okay. All right, what's next?
Morocco.
All right, where are we at?
Morocco.
All right, let's go over here. As you can see, Remy's up there. Is that a tomato?
Yeah.
All right, so all right,
He's jumping above the tomato.
all right.
Trying to scare her like she was.
All right, so we got Morocco. So we only have a few more left.
Yep.
So where are we going to next?
France.
France. All right, so
See there.
see you there. Morocco. All right, Faith, where are we at?
We're in France.
All right, we're in France. Oh, right up there. There he is. That's herbs. Did you get it?
Yep, it's this one.
Herbs.
With a really long green leafy
Like
vegetable.
little trees. Actually, let's, yeah, like little
Looks like
little-
parsley.
parsley, yeah. All right, so the next one is,
I'm trying to fix my sticker jobs.
there we go. All right, so what's next?
United Kingdom.
UK. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, we're in front of the Rose and Crown. At least you're both. Faith, where are we at?
France.
No,
United
United Kingdom.
My bad. Is that bread?
It's bread. There he is, holding some bread. Not holding bread, he's next to bread.
I think it's that one.
Yep, it's that one. Alright, so show me. Alright, we got bread. So what is next?
Canada.
Canada?
Like a couple states above where we live is the country above us.
So we're going to Canada. Alright, catch you in the next one. Bye. Where are we?
Canada.
And what do we have?
It's got pepper.
Salt and pepper? Or just pepper? Just pepper? There he is.
We got pepper. Because there's
All right.
another sticker that's salt.
Alright, I'll hold your... Alright.
Gonna go right here. Canada.
Alright, and what are you getting here at Canada?
It's a wild mushroom fillet.
Mignon?
Yeah.
Alright, so say bye to everybody.
Bye.
So we are at the art pairing exhibit for Wine and Dine. Food and wine. Alright. Now you've got what?
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Where are we on the map?
The art of
Up
the art of pairing. We're at the art of pairing.
I can't see the map.
My bad.
There.
Goes right here.
Alright, we are down to like it 2, which is we are smoking hot right now. It is hot outside.
It's like 900 degrees.
Alright, let's get this moving. Smoking hot. Alright, Faith, where are we at?
Coastal Eats.
The next eats area.
It's called Next Eats.
What is the sticker? An
I
onion?
think it's an onion.
Alright, he's up there. He's got an onion.
We decided we voted it's going to be a grape.
It's a grape. Alright, that is a grape.
So we're gonna use this one. I don't know what it is. We are gonna put it right here on Next Eats. Like
And then we're going to head to Flavors from Fire.
Flavors of Fire.
It's like the Nemo Ring of
Alright, we are at the... Where are we at?
Flavors of Fire.
Fire! With a big flame. Fire!
Fire in the home.
Oh, watch. There's food of fire. Alright, so this last one, he's got peppers, green peppers. Alright. And that concludes
Remy's Ratatouille Hide and Squeek.
2018.
Alright, so put your last sticker on.
Goes right here.
Dun, dun, dun.
Alright.
So can I tell you something about this?
Go right ahead.
While we're doing this, we're collecting items for Remy's secret item of his menu. I figured that out along the way.
So what did he make? You don't know, but
We
it looks
don't
good.
know.
It's got a lot of vegetables though, and pepper and spices.
You need to get all those vegetables and stuff and just put them all together and see what it turns out to be.
Yeah, like a vegetable salad.
Alright, everyone say bye.
Bye.